Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Atif Khan. I'm CTO and co-founder of Alkira. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you an overview of Alkira's service. I will also give you a glimpse into how the service is consumed. We founded Alkira back in May of 2018. We got funded by Sequoia Capital, Kleiner Perkins, and Google Ventures. We have been working with customers from the very beginning, but in the middle of 2019, we started a private preview of our service with a select few customers. Then in April of 2020, we came out of stealth and we made our service generally available to our customers. We all know that cloud is happening. In fact, multi-cloud is happening. Enterprises are adopting multiple clouds. Their footprint is global. Now, if I'm responsible for the network, I have to support global cloud connectivity. I have to take care of security requirements. I may have to move firewalls into the cloud. I may have to move other services into the cloud as well. I also have to learn how to leverage cloud resources to meet my use cases. Now, each cloud is different when it comes to networking constructs. So all of it gets complicated very quickly. The network which I built must be highly available, resilient to failures. I should also have tools to manage and operate it on ongoing basis. I also need full visibility across clouds, across regions. I need full day two operations. I need full troubleshooting toolkit. Before I know, it becomes very complex task, which takes months in many cases to implement, if not longer. Let's take a quick look at Alkira's service. It's a cloud services exchange. It's a unified multi-cloud network which is delivered as a service with integrated services, visibility, and governance. It's built on a hyperscale infrastructure. It's a multi-tenant service. It comprises of cloud exchange points which are global in nature. So as a customer, you come to Alkira's portal, you choose the locations where you want these cloud exchange points to be instantiated. You choose the clouds you want to connect from these cloud exchange points. You choose the services which you're going to host in these cloud exchange points. These can be third-party services. These can be Alkira services in some cases, and these can also be cloud-native services. Then you decide to connect your on-prem locations to these CXPs in different locations as well, or different regions as well. If you choose multiple CXPs, or if you bring up multiple CXPs across the globe, then you also get an instant high bandwidth, low latency network between these CXPs, which is fully routed and it's a full mesh of connectivity between these CXPs. So it's the service is truly a global multi-cloud network which is delivered to you as a service. Now let's take a look at how the service is consumed. You come to Alkira's CSX portal, register, you create users, and then you log in. Once you log in, you start building a network. But before you build your network, you choose CXPs, or the locations in which you are going to spin up these CXPs. You can choose multiple of these locations across the globe. Once you have chosen CXPs, you start building out your network. Here you see two CXPs, one in AP Southeast and the other in EU Central. Here on the right side, you have cloud connectors. You connect to different clouds from there. You can put different cloud connectors in different segments or different groups. Here you see AWS, Azure, and GCP, all three in both regions or both CXPs. You also have secure internet exit point. In the middle, you have one service. You could host multiple services in the middle. On the left side, you have on-prem connectivity. You could have on-prem connectivity from data centers, from branches, from campuses. You could have different requirements or connectivity requirements from different locations. For example, from data center, you may need multi-gig connectivity whereas from your other on-prem locations, you may want to leverage, let's say, SD-WAN to extend connectivity into these CXPs. So all of that is supported. Uh, once you are done building out your network, you click on provision, and within minutes, your global network with networking services and security services comes up within minutes. On top of all of this, there's a comprehensive management and policy layer. You have intent-based policies which you can use to steer traffic through these services. Um, I will give you an example here. In certain cases, you need the traffic to be steered through a firewall. In certain other cases, you do not need the traffic to be steered through the firewall. Example here, traffic bound for internet, you may want the traffic that traffic to go through steered through a firewall. Whereas let's say there's intra-cloud traffic, you may not want that traffic to go through the firewall. There might be some other use cases where you may need the traffic to get steered through multiple of these services. So in those cases, you would also again lay out your intent, and we would make traffic steering happen through those multiple services. So all traffic steering, all network access control, all of that is done via these intent-based policies. These policies have been made very visual as well. So you can click on the policy and you can see the policy getting highlighted on the topology. You can click on the policy, you can click on any of the rules inside of the policy, and the policy becomes very visual and becomes very visible for you on the topology. No networking solution is complete without support for comprehensive visibility across clouds, across regions. Um, it's not just a flow visibility. It's also routing visibility. It's also about performance metrics. It's also about latency from one place to another. You need all of that information to run and operate your network in an efficient manner. So here, what we have done is we have all of all of that functionality built in. You also get information about your health of the network. It's a full management platform as well. You have information about your applications use, your network utilization, and much more. Now, since it's a service, so you have full access to your billing information as well. You can get from the portal, you can go to the billing section, and you can see what your bill is months to date, as well as the forecast for the month based on your usage up till now. You can also look at the last month's bill here. You can also look at the billing details as how you are getting charged. You have full information or full access to your previous month's invoices as well. You also have the capability to charge back to different departments based on tags. So chargeback functionality is fully built in to this solution. And again, it's a service, so you can at any point you can go to the billing section and take a look at the billing details. I will leave you with a few key takeaways. It's a global multi-cloud network which comes up in minutes. It's delivered as a service. It's on demand, highly available, resilient, and we offer SLAs since it's a service. So we offer service level agreements also. The service has comprehensive operational visibility and governance built into the solution. If you would like to learn more about Alkira's service, please visit our website at www.alkira.com. You can register to get started from our website also. You can also visit our booth and chat with one of our Alkira specialists. Thank you very much for joining me today.